Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you how to delete an Outlook group in just a few steps. First, open Outlook and go to the left sidebar where all your mail folders and groups are listed. Scroll down until you find the group you want to remove. Click on the group name to open it. Now look at the top menu. You should see an option called Group Settings or Edit Group depending on your Outlook version. Click on that and a settings panel will open. Inside this panel, scroll down until you see Delete Group. Click on it, and Outlook will warn you that deleting this group will remove the conversations, files, and shared inbox linked to it. If you're sure you want to continue, check the confirmation box and press Delete. If you're using Outlook Web, the steps are almost the same. Open the group, click the three-dot menu in the corner, choose Settings, then select Delete Group and Confirm. And that's it. Your Outlook group is now deleted successfully. Oh, and thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.